Hi everyone, my name is Sarah with Gilbert Sales and Service in Breckenridge, Michigan. We just wanted to tell everyone we were sorry we couldn't see you at the AgroExpo this year, but we hope to see you again next year. We're still here and we're ready to serve you. We sell cleaning equipment and chemicals to match. We also service the entire state of Michigan, and we will service most makes and models. Our preferred brands that we sell are Landa and Alcoda. We also have surface cleaners, guns, hoses, wands, and all the essentials you might need. We also have a few infrared heaters and some other cleaning equipment available. We have 5 service technicians that travel the entire state of Michigan almost daily. So if you're in need of any service, just give us a call, 1-800-237-5184.